Yeah, it's cold out today for sure. I mean, it's frost. I'm half asleep. Probably shouldn't try doing a wheelie, but you know what? I don't care. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see my breath right now. Come on. Fucking A, lady. Go! I have fucking time for your shit, lady. It's a Monday. I'm going into work right now. Then after work, I'm gonna throw some parts on the bike. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do. I got, you know, new chain and sprockets, but man, is it cold out right now. I cannot feel my fingers. I gotta get winter gloves. This is horrible. These are just motocross gloves. As you guys have seen from the other video, this is just a different pair, same brand. I don't even want to try to do a wheelie because I can't even feel my fingers or bend them. Definitely in the 40s right now. I'm gonna be like 2 minutes late for work. Whoop-de-fucking-do. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Yep, I like it. It's fun.
Cam and shit.
Oh yeah.
That's what's up, bro.
I gotta videotape all my shenanigans.
Yeah.
All right, got the Grom in the shop. Originally, I was gonna do the straight up pumps, modded oil pump, as well as a chain and sprockets, but I don't really have enough time for that. So I'm gonna do the chain and sprockets. We got different sprockets here. That's a 1436. Stock is 15 in the front and 34 in the rear, so I went down one, up two. And then I got a 428 chain. The 420 chain just stretches out way too quick. So we're gonna get this stuff on. So now that we got this cover off, we're gonna go in there, remove that sprocket, cut the chain, get the new ones on. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this chain. All right, now we're gonna get that stock sprocket off and remove the rear tire. I'm gonna make this a little bit more convenient and lift it up with the overhead crane. Perfect. As you can see, we got the rear tire off. This is the old sprocket, so we're gonna get rid of that. Replace it with this one, which is 2 teeth bigger. Now we're gonna replace the front. Yo!
You gonna be here for a while?
You gonna be here? Say hi, Johnny.
What up?
Yeah, I mean, not that much longer.
You need some help? Because I'm done over there.
No, I just gotta put this tire back on and get the different, I'm putting different sprockets on.
Dude, if you could take that off, I'll put it on my face. I'll be the mass fucking wheelie man.
Woo!
Woo!
Now we're gonna get the front sprocket off. And replace it with the new one. And that is the new one. So we just got to get the bolts on there, rear tire on, and then the new chain. Before we get the rear tire on, I'm going to replace the stock chain tensioner with some aftermarket ones. I bent it pretty good, looping a wheelie. So I'm going to replace them with these. The company's called NDC, red anodized ones I picked out. So let's slap them in. When your tire is off and you have your axle out, they just simply slide out. So the way these work is this is what keeps it tight in there. So you just slide it in, tighten that top one down a little bit, and they stay in place. And then the bottom one is what brings it back and forward. Pretty cool. You got the tire on and the axle and the aftermarket chain adjuster, which I think look way better than the stock ones. So now all we got to do is get the chain on and she's ready to test out. And here's the new chain. I went gold. This is a stock one. As you can see, the aftermarket one's a little bit bigger. Like I said, it's a 428. The stock chain is a 420, but I was really sick of adjusting the tension. My chain was coming loose all the time. That'll keep me from having to tighten it all the time. All right, we got the chain on. We got the tensioners on, everything's back together. Now we just got to take it on a test drive. Curious to see what going down one in the front and up two in the back is actually going to do for the Grom. All right, let's take this Grom on a test drive. Like I said, I'm curious to see. Oh no, the sirens. Let's do a little test in first gear here. Oh shit. All right, that definitely comes up easier. Holy shit. I'm gonna try a second gear clutch up. I'm still gonna have to bounce it. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of this gearing, kind of like the stock one. First gear is so short. But it comes up real easy. I don't know, maybe I do like it. I just need it to be daytime to really be able to see if I like it or not. My brake back together right. Jesus. God damn it. I cannot believe I did that. I thought I heard something clicking. Since I realized that I installed my braking correctly, I'm just gonna make my way home. I got a little bit of a drive left, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I try to post stuff weekly, so yeah, have a good one.